Hello and welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today is all about Hello Harvest. I'll tell you about that a little later, but now let's jump into our first DIY. I purchased these at a secondhand store and I am going to give it one coat with white acrylic paint, and I'll do that to both of them. So I have all these floral flowers and leaves, and I'm also going to put one pumpkin on each. And I'm not going to bore you because, I mean, how difficult is it, right? All you do is just stuff it in there with leaves and pumpkins, and that is all. And this is the way it turned out. So I'm going to do that to both of them. I think this is so beautiful. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and fix it better, and then I will show it to you on the final review. And these here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go ahead and start adding the leaves inside. I used a little bit of hot glue because the leaves were too short, so I just hot glue them to the wall, and this is it. It was nice and simple, yet so beautiful. I put one on each side with a beautiful little pumpkin, and that is all, my friends. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, please give me that big thumbs up and let me know that you did enjoy it. I have this little camera that I purchased, I think about 2, maybe 3 years ago. I never got around it, but today I'm going to take this apart, and this has a little round piece of paper in the middle. Well, inside I should say. I'm going to turn it around, and then I have a stencil of a leaf, and I'm going to transfer that leaf right on it. And today is an open collaboration, Hello Harvest. This takes place every month. It is being hosted by Tammy, TheRustedWillow, along with Ellie, DIYFromHousetoHome, and the guest host is Marla, the Chic Show DIY. I'm going to leave the links down below in my description box directly to their channels, along with a playlist. Please make sure, guys, to go visit these talented creators and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking their channels. Don't forget to watch their video all the way until the end so you can let them know which one of their projects is your favorite. And as you can see, I'm dabbing with this brush, this dabbing brush, the color Nutmeg Brown. I don't know why I can never say the color. This is like a tongue tie for me. But yeah, this is all I'm doing. And once that is completely done, then I'll just lift the stencil up, and here it is all put together. Now for this little camera, I do not like the purple, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover up the purple with this khaki color, and I'll give it 2 coats. Okay, now so that is completely done. So now with this black chalk paint, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this little section here and the rest of whatever is in purple there. So I'll give it one coat with the same black chalk paint. Guys, do not laugh. I couldn't find my ruler, so I'm using a popsicle stick to give a definition to this line right here. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna use, a popsicle stick. So that was the closest to a ruler that I found around my craft room. Lord have mercy. But it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous. Watch. As you see, I'm really taking my time because I don't want to make a mistake with these lines, because then I'll have to come back and paint over it. And yeah, just take your time if you have and you want to do something like this, because I just hate to come back with the same paint after I'm done and have to do it all over. It's not fun. But yep, and this is using a Sharpie. And then I'll just do the other side, and then of course once that is done, I'll just go ahead and put everything back together. I want to thank you guys for stopping by and clicking into my channel. I really do appreciate you. If you have not subscribed, I'm gonna ask you to please subscribe. You know, it is free, so you won't have to pay nothing monthly. A lot of people ask if it's free or not, but yeah, it's completely free, and it's something to watch when you're bored. You know, you could just craft with us. And even if you don't craft with us, just give us a big thumbs up, you know, share it with your friends and your family. I hope you enjoy it. This was nice and simple yet beautiful. And as you see, I'm just go ahead and putting it together. And the leaf, there's no right way to put it. You can put it sideways, facing up, facing down, facing to the side, doesn't matter. And here it is. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, now for the final project, I got this pretend geode. I purchased it at Dollar Tree before they had the increase, so I paid $1. I've had this for several years. I'm gonna give it one entire coat of this khaki color. Actually, I'm gonna give it 2 coats. So here it is, 2 coats, and it's nice and dry. So I'm gonna come in with this brush and I'm gonna go ahead and start distressing it with this white chalk paint. So this leaf, I purchased it, I don't know, a couple of years ago from Dollar Tree, of course. It comes in a package. I can't remember how many, but what I'm doing is I'm adding just a little dab of glue because I don't want it to penetrate and look ugly. And then once I put the glue right here as I'm doing, then I'll just place it right on top of this beautiful piece that we just painted. Obviously that wasn't enough, so I'm just adding, you know, here and there. But this is gonna look so beautiful. I think this is one of my favorites. This could go in any corner of your home. So once I'm done gluing this one and it looks nice and flat, I have this leather one. Now this one I also got at Dollar Tree. I love these leather leaves. These are so beautiful. I wish they bring them back, but I didn't see them this year. Did you guys ever saw these this year? Because I didn't get to see it. I purchased this last year. And trust me, I went to like every dollar store around here and far away, and I did not see them. So yes, I'm only adding some more hot glue here and there and making sure that it's nice and flat. So once the leaves are nice and secured, I have this chew cord that I'm going to be gluing around the frame just to make it look nice and classy. Alrighty folks, and we have reached the conclusion of this video, and I couldn't be more grateful for your support. If you are new here, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, share this video, and give it a thumbs up. It really goes a long way in supporting my channel. To my amazing returning subscribers, you already know how much I appreciate each and every one of you. Sending my love from here to the moon. And now let's dive in for the exciting final reveal. I hope you enjoy it.
Stay. Even for a moment, that's okay. Even if the sky is turning gray.